In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issues if you can connect with the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 and what are the things you can do. So the first thing that you can try to do when you're going to plug it in, you want to just hold the power button. So you're going to plug it in, hold the power button that you see there. And while you're going to hold the power button, you want your Xbox to try to looking for connection. So we're going to hold the power button. It's like Xbox is going to look for the connection, and then you're just going to press it again, the power button. It should be like a red light there, and then you should be able to connect. This is the first thing that you can try. Maybe it's going to work. The second thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work also. You want to press and hold the power button with the mode button where it's going to be plugged in. So hold the power button and mode button at the same time and just press and hold it for about 30 to 40 seconds. And maybe this is going to also work for you. So let me down in the comments if it actually helped you, but probably the first thing is going to help you the most. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.